AI Allowance is a new feature in the Originality AI web app that lets you customize how strict or flexible your AI detection scan should be. Instead of only checking whether content is likely AI or likely original, AI Allowance scans based on how much AI you allow. To get started, input your text into the Originality AI editor. Then, select AI Allowance from the AI scan options. Next, choose how much AI you'd like to allow. You can select from 5 AI allowance levels. 0% is very strict, 5% is strict, 15% is moderate, 25% is flexible, and 40% is generous. For most users, 15% AI allowance is a good starting point. Once your AI allowance level is selected, run your scan. After the scan is complete, you'll see your AI detection result based on the allowance level you selected. For example, if you select 15% AI allowance and see a likely original result, this means AI use appears to be 15% or less. From there, you can review your result and adjust the AI allowance if you want to scan again using a stricter or more flexible threshold. Please note, changing the AI allowance and scanning again will start a new AI scan and use additional credits. AI Allowance helps students, teachers, writers, editors, agencies, and organizations customize AI detection based on their own standards and workflows. Try AI Allowance in the Originality AI app today.